Hello, lovely learners out there. Welcome to today's activity. We have patterns in algebra. Patterns in algebra. I am your facilitator, Sir John. We will be looking or we will be learning to what? Repeat patterns of element. Patterns of element. In your previous class, you learned how to write patterns. Let's look at some form of patterns you'll be writing in your previous class. You've learned to write this. Let's write it well. Good. You've also learned a lot of patterns writing. For instance, you can write patterns in this form. Alright, these are some of the few patterns you've been writing in your previous class. This is E in repetition, and this is what? Sticks, 3 sticks up, 3 sticks what? Down. Horizontal, vertically, horizontally, vertically. Alright, let's look at our keywords for the day. We have patterns. Shapes, patterns, shape, patterns, shape. Okay, let's look at these few activities. Write down the next 2 patterns. Write down the next 2 patterns. All right. This is what shape is this? What is the name of this shape? This is a circle. What is this? Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. You realize that the shape or the pattern is following a certain trend. Circle first, triangle second. Circle first, triangle second. Circle first, triangle second. So let's write. The next one will be what? Triangle. Then the next one will be what? Circle. Alright. Look at this. Example 2. X, X, X. I. So this is what? Capital I. That is my capital I. X, X, X. I. X. What is this? So you realize how many X do we have from the beginning? 1, 2, 3. Then we have how many I? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 X's. We have how many I's? 1, 2. Then followed by 1, 2, 3. The third one will be what? X. Look at this. X. So 1, 2, 3. The next one will be what? I. If we have to continue, then another I must come before X. It will follow in that trend. Let's look at example 3. This is a rectangle. A rectangle. Rectangle. Look at this. Rectangle, rectangle, ball. Rectangle, rectangle. What is this? So it is following in that pattern. If we were to have the lines continuously like this, we will continue writing it. So let's try this. Rectangle, rectangle, ball. We have how many rectangles? 1, 2. 1 ball. 1, 2 rectangles. So let's continue. Rectangle, rectangle, ball. Rectangle, rectangle. What? What will be here? Ball. The next one, after 1 ball, we have how many rectangles? 1, 2. So let's write. Alright, but if we were to have these lines continuously, that means another rectangle must come here. So it becomes 1, 2. After 2 rectangles, what must come? A ball. A ball must come. And after a ball, what must come? rectangle. But it ends here, so we will leave it. So this is where we have to end everything. Let's take the next example. Pap, pap, mam, pap, pap. What will be here? Pap is how many? 1, 2. Mam, 1. Another pap, 1, 2. So it is pap 2 times, mam 1, pap 2 times, mam 1. So mam will be here, ma. And then followed by what? Pa. So it's, let's take it over. Pap, pap, ma, pap, pap, ma, pap. Do you get it? Pap, pap, ma, pap, pap, ma, pap. All right. Example 5. Clap, clap, stamp. What will be the next one? Clap, how many claps? 1, 2. Followed by what? Stamp. So the next one will be what? Clap. Another clap. Now this is where we are to end it. If we were to have another line to continue it, then we have to write what? Stamp, like this. But it ends here, so let's put everything here. Now let's look at example 6. Do ti so. Let me change this word. Okay. Do ti so. Do ti so. Do ti so. Do ti so. So after so here, it comes with what? Do. D-O. D-O. After D-O here, what do we have here? T-I. So, do T so. This is the first one. Then another one. Do T so. Look at it. Then it begins again. Do T. Then if we were to continue, you realize that we also have the next one to be what? So, but we are not continuing. We are ending everything here. Alright, this is Q, R, Q, R, Q, R. Q, R, Q, R, Q, R. The next one will be what? The next one will be Q, the next one will be R. So it rhymes like Q, R, Q, R, Q, R, Q, R. You get it? Wow. The last one, try the last one, let me see. Daddy or mom will check it for you. Pa, pa, la, pa, pa, la, pa, pa, la, pa, pa, la. Papa, P-A, we have how many P-A? 1, 2, before la. 1, 2, before la. So P-A will come. P-A. Don't forget, we are learning to what? What are we doing? We are learning to what? Repeat patterns. Don't forget, we are learning to repeat patterns of elements. We started with what? Writing is, and all these things that you learned from basic 1, we still continue with them. We are continuing with them to this level. Now we took different shapes and we are repeating them. How do you repeat them? Look at the trend given to us. Circle, triangle, circle. Circle, triangle, circle. Triangle, circle, triangle. Then we answer the rest. Triangle, circle. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. That is how it rhymes. You get it? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. The next one is X, 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 I, X, 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 I. The third one, rectangle, rectangle, ball, rectangle, rectangle, ball, rectangle. Pap, pap, ma, pap, pap, ma, pap. The fifth one, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap. do, ti, so, do, ti, so, do, ti. Don't forget, you have to write them clearly, underline the ones that you are supposed to underline. This line here, I'm just trying to explain and clear that it follows. How it follows: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right. Q R Q R Q R Q R Q R Q R Q R Q R. The last one: pa pa la pa pa la pa pa. All right. Keep practicing all these things. Make sure you do a lot example. Be both good boys and girls till we meet again. Bye bye.